Let's make the perfect drums for bass sounds. First, set the BPM to around 135 to 140. Then we're gonna work on the basic drums, so it's kick, clap, and open hat. With a kick at every beat, clap at every second beat, and the open hat to the off beat. Something like this. Then we're gonna add some more groove. First, let's drop in 2 different hi-hats to create a call and response effect. Place the first one right here, before the first open hat. And then the second one, after the second open hat. And before the last one, bend them both to the left and the right. And finish it off with this snare. Bend it as well. And place it right here. Also make sure to get them all slightly off the grid to humanize the groove. Because the human can't hit the same spot every time. Something like this. All together in a track, it sounds like this. And with the